All right, it is middle of June and it's time to harvest onions. You can see here all the onions I grew this year. I grow them in these tires here in Oklahoma. And when they start falling over like this and getting kind of wilty, it's time. And of course, a couple of them have bolted like this. These flower heads, they're not going to get any bigger anyway. But I like to pick them all, and I'm going to put them in this shopping cart right here, upside down, and let them dry out a while. So let's get to work. All right, so here's the shopping cart all loaded up. Everything's hanging out to dry, and I'll wait a few weeks and these leaves will all be crispy brown and the onions will be cured and ready to go in the basket in the garage where my mom keeps them and I keep them. And yeah, it's several hundred onions in a shopping cart. And I can roll these out on the driveway on really hot days and let them dry there, and I can roll them back into the garage at night.